Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best way to buy Disney World ticket. So the very first thing is that you need to buy from authorized discount reseller. You can always buy from Getaway. Let me show you Getaway discounts, right? And you will be here and you can just always buy from them, right? Or undercover tourists. This seller often provide the discount prices compared to buying directly from Disney. They are known for their reliability and customer service. The second thing is that direct purchase from Disney. So this is the Walt Disney website. You can just go to the Walt Disney tickets here and just go and click on ticket and parks and select the place you want to visit, right? And here you can just get the details and everything, right? Just ensure you have the latest ticket option and promotion without the risk of scam. The third thing is that vacation package. Consider booking a vacation package that include hotel accommodation, park tickets, and possible other perks. This can often result in saving compared to purchasing each component separately. The fourth thing is that special discount. This is very rare, but look for discount available to special groups such as military personnel or Florida resident. This discount can significantly reduce the cost of ticket and are often available through authorized sellers. The fifth thing is that timing your purchase. Purchasing ticket during off-peak times or look for special promotion that Disney may offer. So you will get some kind of a discount and you will able to save some money. Right, so as you can see here, I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe and also be aware of the scams which is happening on the name of Disney World tickets. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.